And welcome back to the Northridge 4x4 Do-It-Yourself Garage, where we show you the cool off-road products and how to install them. Now today we're going to be talking about bed covers. And we just showed you the Bestop Easy Roll bed cover. And traditional bed covers or tonneau covers are great for keeping your stuff dry and hidden. But what happens when you need to haul more stuff than will fit under that bed cover? Well, enter the SuperTops for Trucks by Bestop. It's a soft shell canopy that is perfect for those who need to haul more stuff and have more dry storage. And you really don't want to put up with a full traditional hard shell canopy. The Bestop SuperTop is a quick and easy install on the Gladiator, and you can run it in 3 different modes. You can run it fully enclosed for dry storage. You can have the sides and the back rolled up, and you can also run it fully opened with that SuperTop folded down against the bed. Now for that quick and easy installation, we gotta start at the start, and that means to unbox those parts, get them laid out and identified. For hardware, we've got our bow couplers. These are for the number 2 and number 3 bows, and then the bow couplers for the number 1 and number 4 bows. You can tell which ones they have. The number 1 and number 4 bows have the button snaps in them. Then we've got our upper clamps, our small lower clamps, and then our flange head bolts. Now this kit also works with the trail rail system. So if you have one of those, you're gonna use these lower clamps for the track system, and then the track blocks, and these socket bolts. Now for our hardware, we have our bow assembly, and if you look real close to the part number, the one that ends in .09, that's for the driver's side. And the other side's gonna end in a .10, that's the passenger side. These are our side rails. The one that ends in .76, that's our passenger side. And the one that ends in .75 is our driver's side. And you can tell the little snap retainer goes towards the front of the rail. Then we have our front rail. And if you look at the weather stripping, you've got this nice rolled curve here and a short tail. Then on the rear, you just have this long tail on the weather stripping. Now, of course, the first thing we want to do is get our bed rails nice and clean. Let's grab our front and rear rails, set them in place. I'm going to peel the protecting layer off the foam sticky tape. Now, as far as our positioning, we want to have these bed rails even with the inside of the bed. And then this front corner right here, we want to go 2 1/8 inches back from the cab. So we can sneak a tape measure in there, and we are right at 2 1/8 inches. 2 1/8 inch. And with anything, check and double check your measurements. Now for our bows, it's pretty simple to tell which ones are which. The ones that have the snaps in them, that's where we want to put these longer couplers that have the snap in place. And then sometimes even the best planned plans go awry. This tube here got a little bent, so we'll bend it back in place so we can get our support in there. All right, so like any brand new soft top, this is gonna be tight the first time you install it. So you'll wanna have this thing heated up. Get the fabric out in the sun or in a heated room or heated garage. Do this install where you've got some warmth and you can get this fabric warm and get it to stretch. Now, once it's been on the vehicle for a few weeks and everything's worked in, it'll take a stretch. It'll be a lot easier to snap and zip it in and out of position. So this thing is on its way to Elk Camp. We'll see you in a little bit. Now a week has gone by and the Gladiator is back from Elk Camp, and the trip was successful. The Bestop SuperTop got all the camping gear there clean and dry, and it got all the gear back nice and safe. Definitely wasn't clean and it's probably not too dry. As far as the hunt itself, well, better luck next year, guys. Now the question is always going to be, are you ready for a Bestop SuperTop for your Gladiator? We'll hit the link down in the description box below, and we'll even pay the freight. Now, if you like content like this, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, then hit up the comment section. What do you think about the Bestop SuperTop for the Gladiator? Thanks for watching our video. We'll see you in the next one.